Junie is the new coding agent by JetBrains. It's the whole new way of using AI for coding, and it will blow your mind. Junie will take simple prompts and do massive amount of work for you. It's not just a productivity boost, it's a new way of writing code. Let's take a look. Let's start with a clean Spring Boot project. There is nothing here but a single Java class. Let's prompt Junie to implement the REST API for CRUD operations, and for testing, I will ask Junie to create a seeder to add 10 records into the database. I will also ask it to write integration tests and execute them. As you can see, Junie will first create a plan, and then it will execute on this plan iteratively. It will generate code, change configuration files if needed, run tests, validate the results, and fix the code when required. Junie has finished the task, so let's take a look. Without any manual interference, Junie created the RESTful API for managing books. It has written tests and has executed them, and the database tables are populated with data, so I get to see the JSON with values when I access the relevant endpoint. Now I will ask Junie to implement a web UI on top of the brand new REST API. In the guidelines for this project, I have specified the front-end technologies that I want to use, so it will use React and Tailwind. In the Brave mode, Junie will work without interruption. If this option is unchecked, Junie will ask your permission when it performs operations like deleting files or executing commands in the terminal. So while Junie is working on that prompt, let's talk about the special configuration file to specify the guidelines for the agent. The file is the guidelines.md located in .junie directory in the project. In this file, you can add whatever global guidelines you would like to be applied. For example, I specified the UI technology stack for the frontend to be React and Tailwind. The backend is Spring Boot with Spring Data JDBC. I asked Junie not to use mocks for testing and added a few other restrictions. You can also specify the package structure, coding style, pitfalls to avoid, and other design guidelines. To my pleasant surprise, Junie created the whole UI for the use case and integrated the new React UI into the build lifecycle of the existing Spring Boot project. Nice. It certainly isn't a production-ready system yet, and there is a long way for it to become a popular e-commerce website, but it's a nice prototype. So previously we started from a clean project and let Junie do its thing. But what about the existing projects? So I have forked the famous pet clinic demo application for Spring Boot. Let's see if Junie can help me enhancing this application with extra functionality. I want to add login functionality to this application and make some of the existing pages in the application available only to the authorized users. Junie has spent some time working on the task, and let's take a look at the result. It added the login functionality, and the pet owner's page is now secured. I have to log in to see the page now. Personally, I was blown away by what Junie can do and how much more potential there is to explore the new way of programming. With Junie, I can outsource many of the boring tasks and focus on the code I like the most. And the best advice I can give you is to try it out and feel for yourself how Junie can help you. Enjoy!